the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a smart lock, the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. This is a new version with Wi-Fi built into the lock, and it doesn't require a separate bridge like the previous version. I will go over specs, features, and then demonstrate the lock functions. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The lock features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, a mobile app for iOS and Android, and you can use the fingerprint and keypad to unlock. I'll demonstrate the different ways later in the video. This new version comes with door sensors, so you'll know if the door is open, closed, and locked. Inside it comes with the following: the user guide, screwdriver, interior and exterior assembly, 4 AA batteries, strike plate, keys, screws, bolt, reset needle, and door sensors. The exterior assembly is similar in size as the previous version. It has a solid build quality, and the back you can see the cable that will connect to the interior assembly. Taking a look at the interior assembly, it also has a solid feel. To access the battery compartment, just slide the cover up. It takes 4 AA batteries, and it can last up to 6 months or 6,000 cycles. Now I'll go over the installation process briefly. I won't go through all the steps as the manual is detailed and straightforward. I'll be using this demo stand. Begin by installing the deadbolt. Install the exterior assembly and make sure the cable runs under the deadbolt. Install the interior assembly plate and run the cable through it. Plug the cable into the back of the interior assembly and then secure the assembly with the supplied screws. Once everything is secured into place, test the lock and make sure the deadbolt can cycle smoothly. Connecting to the app is quick and easy. Download the UTech app. Once downloaded, follow the prompts and select the U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi lock. You will be able to name the lock and also select your Wi-Fi network. Once completed, you will see the lock on the main dashboard, and you can add up to 60 users with 2 fingerprints each, along with a passcode. Tapping on the logs, you'll see all the events that have triggered on the lock. And finally, the settings tabs will allow you to modify Wi-Fi settings, sounds, auto lock, firmware updates, and view battery levels. Unlocking and locking using the app. You can see how responsive and quick it is. Using the fingerprint scanner. Using the keypad. The magic shake feature, just shake your phone near the lock. And finally, using the key. Just lift slightly, then pull down the exterior face of the assembly. You'll then have access to the keyhole. On the bottom of the exterior assembly, you'll have access to a micro USB port where you can use a portable battery pack as a backup power source in the event that the battery is depleted. Here are my thoughts on the lock. It's definitely nice to see that the Wi-Fi is integrated with the unit and no extra hub is required. I like the door sensor addition as well. The installation process took less than 30 minutes and was straightforward. The lock feels solid and it functions smoothly. I like the various options to lock and unlock. Having used the previous model, I can say that it has been reliable and it worked well with no issues. So I definitely feel that this will have the same performance. This is definitely a good option for those that are in the market for a Wi-Fi smart lock. So that is my review of the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi lock. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.